Welcome to Taliup HQ. In this video, we'll show you how to process a payment using the virtual terminal. First, log into your Taliup HQ account and navigate to the virtual terminal from the left-hand menu. Enter the payment amount, and if needed, add a description or order details for your records. Next, associate a client by selecting an existing client profile or creating a new one. This helps keep your transactions organized and linked to the right customer. Now enter the customer's card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. If you'd like the customer to receive confirmation, simply enable the email receipt option and confirm the client's email address. Before processing the payment, double-check the amount and details to make sure everything is correct. Then click Process Payment. Once the transaction is approved, it will automatically appear in your Transactions tab, where you can view and manage all payments in real time. And that's it. With Taliup HQ's virtual terminal, you can quickly accept payments, associate them with clients, and send receipts instantly, all from one place.